In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We've been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and talk out of our butt, can I make panels out of AirCrete so that I can transport them and stand them up and quickly assemble a building and make it easier to pour? Well, yes, you can. However, you have to contain it inside of a framework, often metal studs. And when you do this, you create massive thermal bridging at every joint so that you lose your insulation value. It can sweat in the winter and it can get so hot it can actually burn your hand in the summer. So it's not recommended. Not to mention, it usually cracks a lot more